In today's quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can change your Glo Wi-Fi password and username on your Glo MiFi. It's very simple, but first of all, make sure you have turned on your MiFi. If your MiFi is on, then come on your connections here and tap on it and connect your MiFi to your device, either a laptop or a phone. In fact, it must be connected. So if it's connected, then come to your browser, any browser, and tap and open it. And on the browser, come to the search bar here and come here and enter this IP address so that you can log into the Glo MiFi admin portal. If you type this exact IP address, then enter. If you enter, it loads and brings you into this page to put your password so that you can log in properly. And now if your MiFi is new and you haven't changed your password yet, default password is admin or in small letter. So come here and enter admin and tap on login. But for me, I've changed my password, so I will come here and enter my password and login. If you type your password admin in small letter, type or enter login. If you tap on login, then you'll be logged into your Glo MiFi admin portal properly. And here is my dashboard. I know Glo MiFis come in different brands and models. Maybe perhaps your own model could be different from mine, which may give you a bit of a different interface from mine, or like this. But all the same, still follow the same steps so that you can change your Wi-Fi and password, okay? Now to change your Glo Wi-Fi password and username, now come on Wi-Fi here and tap on it. And if you tap on Wi-Fi, you can see right here, wireless security settings. Tap on it. If you tap on it, then it loads and brings you into this page. And on this page, you can see right here, network name, also called SSID. I can see my default Wi-Fi name is Glo Mobile Wi-Fi C922. And this is how it has been ever since I bought it. If I come on my connections and tap on it, you can see here is my default Wi-Fi name. Now to change it, come here and tap and edit it. Then wipe this one and put your own personal name or your own name, preferred name. For instance, I'll come here and type Collins Bookier Glo MiFi. If I enter my Wi-Fi username, then I'll come here on the password. You can see my password is still on default. So I'll come here and edit it, then wipe this one and enter my own password. For instance, I will enter my password. And now you can see it's weak. Now to put the correct password that will make it strong, you must mix characters. You will use capital letters, small letters, numbers, and other cases so that your Wi-Fi password will be strong. So after the whole thing, just come here and click on this save. And your changes will be saved. And henceforth, your Wi-Fi password and username will be changed and it will come to your own personal Wi-Fi password and username. So guys, that is it. Very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.